Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. Welcome to 23rd day of Vlogmas. And in this video I'm going to talk about vision board. So what is vision board and why I make vision board, and also maybe about my 2022 vision board. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I personally never thought I will ever make a video about vision board. I said in one of the videos, in one of my previous videos, that I might make it, but I wasn't very sure. But few of you commented on few of my videos about for me to make a video about vision board. Some of you also messaged me on my Instagram about vision board, so I thought I should make one. I wasn't very sure about this because I personally think that vision board and everything related to goal setting or vision board is very private and very personal. It's very personal experience, and it is also very subjective. So what I think about vision board might not be what you think about it, and how it works for me might not work for you. So I would recommend you to watch few other videos on vision board as well, so that you get to know a lot of different perspective on vision boards. So yes, let's get started. Now, what is vision board? So basically it's a collage of images or words, images and or words representing a person's goals or wishes. तो ऐसा पिक्चर का ये कोलाज होता है, and few quotes and words that represents a person's wishes or goals. So this is as simple as it is. Now there are a lot of types of different types of vision board. Like me personally, I have a cardboard vision board, so I like to do it on cardboard. I stick pictures on cardboard. Few people do it digitally, जो आप अपने फोन के वॉलपेपर जैसा रख सकते हैं या डेस्कटॉप पे रख सकते हैं. Few people also do it on their wall, which I think is a brilliant idea, so that you can take this picture and directly stick them onto a wall or on your bedroom door, so that you don't need cardboard and everything for that. I personally love change, so I keep my furniture, I keep changing furniture in my room all the time, so I don't like fixed things. That's why I make it on cardboard, so that I can take it and put it somewhere else. So it becomes really easy for me. Few people also make it on, like have it on their planner. जो planners में vision board के लिए space होती है, people do that. My 2022 planner has a जगह for vision board, so I think I will also stick few pictures here as well this year. So yeah, there are a lot of different types of vision board and how you can make it. So you can make it according to what works best for you. So ये हो गया कि कैसे vision board क्या होता है और किस type का होता है. Now coming to a very personal thing, why I personally make vision board. Like I said, it's very subjective. Different people make vision boards for different things. There are a lot of people, I would say most of the people make vision board to manifest stuff. So people who believe in law of attraction or manifesting thing or putting it out in the universe, they make vision board for that purpose. I personally don't do it for that. I do it, of course I do it for that, but that is not my sole reason for it. I make vision board because I think they serve I think this board is a great reminder of what I want to do in life, and it helps me make better choices. So I had this for most of the days, like most of the year, I had this on my wall opposite to my bed. So it was here actually. So every day when I would wake up, the first thing I would see is this vision board, and it really helped me make better choices. क्योंकि ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है कि I would wake up और मैं सोचती थी कि यार आज 1 घंटा और सो जाते हैं, या आज दिन भर यही पड़े रहते हैं, and like it's a vicious circle, right? So I would really think hard and convince myself that taking a break today would be a great idea. But then I would look at this board and it would remind me of things that I want to do in my life, and sleeping is not gonna help me achieve that. So I would immediately like get out of my bed and head to work. So it has really helped me a lot, and like I said, it helps me make better choices every day. So that's why I do it. This was also my first year of making a vision board, and I'm really glad that I did. So if you are like me, like you can also do it to manifest stuff so people who believe in law of attraction can do it for that, or you can do it for it to be used as a great reminder and great help to make better choices. Now how you can make it. So if you're gonna make it on a cardboard, you just need a cardboard sheet. Now I got this new cardboard sheet for my 2022 vision board. I'll probably cut it some like यहाँ से शायद. I only got this for ₹30, which I think is a great price. इतना बहुत कुछ महंगा नहीं है. So you can also do it on cardboard. You get cardboard very easily in any stationery store for ₹30. So it's very easy to find, or you can do it digitally or on your planner or on your wall. Then you need few pictures that kind of talks about what you want to do in life. So vision board should be a step that you take after you are done setting your goals. So I have also made a video about goal setting. I'll try to put the link of that in the description box below. So I would recommend watch that first. Set your goals first and then make your vision board, because then you have a clearer idea what you want and how you want it. Now in my goal setting video, I have also talked about having specific goals or goals that are measurable. However, for vision board, I think a vision board can be a little abstract. It doesn't have to be very specific or plan oriented. It can be abstract, it can be anything actually. It has more to do with what you want to feel or how you want to feel it, rather than what you are going to do to make you feel that way, if it makes sense. Like for example, I have a lot of random stuff here on my vision board. Like for example, here I have a picture of a phone jahan likha hai tell her you love her. So honestly, I did not tell anybody that I love them, because I honestly don't love anybody that way. But that this picture screams courage. That's why I put it here. I really like this picture. The first time I saw it, I was like, this is such an interesting concept. And I personally believe that if you like somebody, you should go and tell them. There is no point in keeping it to yourself. And I always like to make it obvious, and I would really like for people to make it obvious. If you like somebody, tell them you like them. Like what worse can happen? So that's why I put it here. So like I said, ये कोई goal भी नहीं है, but it's a very abstract concept and it talks about courage. That's why it is here. I also have picture of my brothers here. Again, this is not a goal. I just have this picture of my brothers is actually a token of positive things in my life. I truly believe that both my brothers are blessing in my life. We live together, and I honestly have no idea what I'm going to do if without them. I think I won't be able to survive without them. So these two are pure blessings in my life. That's why I have their picture, because every time I look at this picture, I smile. It brings smile on my face and it reminds me of good things in my life. So that's why that picture is there. Now this picture is actually, this picture is a still from Two States. It's a very beautiful, I really love that film. I really love this particular scene. I really did not know कि मैंने ये क्यों लगाया है. I just put this picture for no reason. I'll tell you. This is a very funny story. So मैंने वो ऐसे ही लगाया. I looked at that picture and I was like, you know what? I want this picture on my vision board. और वो वैसे ही लग गया. Funny thing, recently I did a shoot. Like I was part of a project where I did a shoot and we shot a similar shot in a similar location, which is so crazy. I did not see that coming, but I don't know, it's very funny. Now when I look at this picture, I'm like, wow, I shot a similar shot at a similar location. It feels so great. So like I said, it can be abstract, it can be anything. It doesn't have to be specific, like how your goals are supposed to be specific and measurable. This, however, can be a little abstract. But I also think, like for example, I have a working out picture here. So what I want to tell you is, only vision board and making a vision board is not gonna help you. सिर्फ ये बना के life में कुछ भी achieve नहीं होगा. You need a action plan. You need to plan things and you need to work for it. सिर्फ ये बनाएंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. But however, I also believe that this can help you a lot. This can motivate you on your bad days, and like I said, this can help you make better choices. That's why I make vision boards. I also have very interesting thing, like here I have Goa picture. So I really wanted to visit Goa. मैं अभी तक गई ही नहीं थी, but this year my mommy called me. I went to Goa with my mummy, which I think was such a great idea. So my mommy called me and she was like, hey, we are planning for Goa, would you like to come with us? Usually I would have said no, because I'm queen of procrastination, and I would have said ki nahi, I don't know kab hai, I think I'm not free, no yahan jana hai wahan. I would have cancelled it. Luckily when she called me, I was sitting in my room, and when she called me asking about Goa, I was like and then I looked at my vision board. I was like, oh yeah, I am coming, I am definitely coming. And I'm so glad. I had the most amazing trip with the most amazing people, and I think, yeah, I will give this vision board a credit for that. This dogs पता नहीं मेरे से क्या दुश्मनी है, पर ये आ ही जाते हैं हमेशा. Anyway, so, and the most important thing on my vision board this year was YouTube, and in April I started a YouTube channel, so it feels great. So yeah, like I said, it can be abstract, it can be anything for that matter. Now coming to my 2022, I don't think I'll be sharing everything that I have on my list this time, because maybe next year, but I can share a few things. Like for example, I have a picture that screams self-love and skincare for me here, so I'm going to maybe put that. I'm going to put healthy eating. मैं usually बहुत I cook very often, but I like to do that more often, so I have added that. I have added some dance class that I'm doing. I have added badminton. I want to play badminton more this year. I want to do swimming. Yeah, I want to learn to drive. I can't drive cars, so I'm going to do that this year. I want to take care of my hair. I want to read more. I want to watch a lot of Netflix. I already watch a lot of Netflix, but sure, I am manifesting a lot of stuff. I am really not sure. Maybe I would like to put a picture of a very cute couple on a date, because I would really like to go on a date this year, like a proper, like somebody asking me out and me saying yes and let's go on a date. I have never done that, so maybe that, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I want to put that on a vision board, but maybe this year I'll go on a date. I share too much, don't I? Yeah. So anyway, that is it. So this is how vision boards are. This is how amazing, and they look so cute. और उसे बनाने में भी बहुत मजा आता है. It's such a fun process. Last year I did it with a friend, and it was amazing. Somebody is calling me. I think it's my mom. Okay, that was my mom. I'm really sorry. So like I said, they're very cute and they really help a lot. So do make your vision board, and maybe not share pictures with me, because I know it's a very personal thing and very private. But if you want to, you can send me pictures. I would love to see them. So that is it for my video today, guys. I will be making my 2022 vision board, and maybe try to have something about it in one of my videos next. I'm not sure if I'm comfortable with it, but someday in one of my videos I'll definitely try to feature it. But that is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you really soon, that is tomorrow. And yes, make a vision board. So yes, bye bye.